We have gathered here today to reject the Transgender Bill Amendment 2026 that has been tabled by Virendra Singh, Minister of Social Justice in the Parliament, Lok Sabha, on 13th of March. We are gathered here to tell unequally and collectively that the bill is bad, bill कच्चा है और हम इसको reject करेंगे completely.
And how does this amendment bill affect your daily life and identity?
Completely affects. I don't exist anymore. If it gets tabled, if it gets passed, the very existence of myself as a person is not there anymore. The right to self-identify as a transgender person has been completely taken away. On top of that, there are so many structural demands that trans community has right now, and within that, the government has now established and opens this can of worms, which is now gone back to 1972 Criminal Tribes Act again. After landmark Nalsa judgment, we were there somewhere, right? We got some rights, right to vote, right to all these things were enabled. Now they are also being taken away. You have not even allocated so many funds to any transgender welfare board, right? Garima Grahs are not running right now. Nobody is working in them. The structural infrastructure that is needed to support trans lives is not there, and the focus is that to definition of transgenderism. Why is this fair to me? Is this fair to me as a citizen of this country, right? When I'm standing here in front of you, right? I don't think so. Government has established an identity which they arrived at, socio-cultural religious identity. Haravani, Kijjar, Ijra, all these people will be included in the transgender definition, and those who are not will not be. But even after that, it criminalizes the very nature of transgender existence. It also criminalizes the Gharana itself, technically. So, bill in itself is a hypocritic bill, right? And it's completely bad. There is no democratic process that has been followed in this bill. National Council of Transgender Persons, according to the quote of Kalki Subramaniam, who's the one of the panelists in the commission from the southern state, has said that they were not consulted. If we have not following our own due processes, our own due checks, then what are we doing? Why are we spending so much public money in creating these bills, tabling these, discussing these, when they are not consulted internally? Why are we not doing that? And this is what the question is today. That's why we are here. To say that we reject this ill-informed, ill-mentioned, and probably ill-intentioned bill that has been tabled against the community that we have in Goa. And I would like to mention the name of Diana Diaz, who existed as one of the first transgender women in the history of Goa to run the organization called Vajood. And I talked to Goan Welfare Board, Association Board right now, to include transgender persons in it and to enable it for the benefit of the transgender community here as soon as possible. Since the Vajood, we have nothing to go for. There's no organization in Goa working right now for these things. We need governmental support. And I ask the local Goan government also to stand for the rejection of this bill, because it is anti-citizen, anti-human life. That is where I'm coming from.
What are your next steps if your demands are not met?
Our next steps will be peaceful protests across the country and following the due process of our law, by which we will go to various processes and checks where we will demand steps, legal steps, to retrace the identity of this bill, where it is coming from, and to stop it in its track. We will be working in tandem with the institutions we have, and on top of that, we will be collectively singing songs. We will be collectively singing and telling each other tales of our childhood, of our narratives, so that we say that we exist, and nobody else can say that you exist because I say you exist. Not because you say you exist. I exist because I say I exist, and I get to define my own gender. Nobody else get to define my own gender, not even a bill that has been tabled. We will continue to live the way we were living, even harder actually, even better. We will be joyous, and we will go to courts. We will fight this tooth and nail.
The voice for Koi.